I used to go to my uncle's in McKinney.
Mm-hmm.
He had about 8 acres. And 5 of it was all pecan trees that he planted himself.
Pecan?
And pecan trees, yeah. But
Wow.
pecan tree can be worth $6,000 or $7,000 when it's mature.
One tree.
One tree. Well, the nuts on it. Go see what a pound of pecan is. So if you got a good hybrid strain of trees, and I mean you gotta, it costs. You gotta put insecticide on
How
them.
much we lost today? 5,000, 2,000?
I'd say $3,000 easy.
Really?
Yeah, I wish I would have seen that. I thought you were just cutting those ones in the front.
I didn't know that.
See, I put the blood up here because.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jimmy.
Well, anyway.
Yeah, we didn't know that. We and you know the reason I cut it because I want to plant more fruit trees. Oh, that would be good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, pecan vision is